Hello and welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us today.
Today we have a very practical topic, how to order coffee at Starbucks in English. Whether you're traveling to an English-speaking country or visiting Starbucks internationally, knowing the right phrases and terminology will make ordering much easier and less stressful.
We'll teach you about Starbucks sizes, how to customize your drink, essential ordering phrases, and common vocabulary you'll hear from the barista. This is perfect for coffee lovers and anyone who wants to feel confident ordering in English. Let's get started.
Tom, let's start with the most confusing part for many people. Starbucks sizes. They don't use small, medium, and large. Instead, they have their own special names.
That's right. The smallest size is called tall, which is 12 ounces or about 350 milliliters. I know it's confusing because tall usually means big, but at Starbucks it's actually the small size. The medium is called Grande. That's Italian for large. And it's 16 ounces or about 470 milliliters. The large is called Venti, which means 20 in Italian because it's 20 ounces or about 590 milliliters for hot drinks and 24 ounces for cold drinks.
There's also Trenta for certain cold drinks, which is 31 ounces or about 916 milliliters. That's huge. And some locations have short, which is 8 ounces, though it's not always displayed on the menu. So when ordering, you'd say, "Can I get a grande latte?" or "I'd like a venti iced coffee, please." Don't worry if you say medium or large. The barista will understand, but using the Starbucks term sounds more natural and confident.
Let's learn the basic ordering phrases. When it's your turn, the barista will greet you with, "Hi, what can I get for you?" or "Welcome to Starbucks. What would you like today?" You can respond in several ways. Casual. "Can I get a tall cappuccino?" or "I'll have a grande mocha." More polite. "Could I have a venti latte, please?" or "I'd like a tall Americano, please." The typical pattern is size plus drink name. For example, a grande caramel macchiato or a venti iced coffee.
You can also start with hi or hello to be friendly. "Hi, can I get a tall hot chocolate?" After ordering, the barista might ask, "Anything else?" If you want something more, say, "Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin." Or, "And can I get a croissant too?" If that's all, say, "No, that's all, thank you." Or, "That's everything, thanks." At the end, they'll tell you the total. That'll be $5.75. And you can say, "Here you go," when handing over your payment, or "Can I pay with card?" if you're using a credit card.
Let's review common Starbucks drinks so you know what to order. Latte is espresso with steamed milk and a little foam on top. It's smooth and milky. Cappuccino has equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and foam. It's lighter and foamier than a latte. Americano is espresso with hot water added. It tastes like regular coffee but stronger. Mocha is a latte with chocolate syrup. Perfect if you like chocolate and coffee together. Caramel macchiato is vanilla latte with caramel drizzle on top. Flat white is similar to a latte, but with less milk and more espresso. It's stronger. Espresso is a concentrated shot of coffee. You can order a single shot, double shot, or triple shot.
For non-espresso drinks, brewed coffee or Pike Place roast is regular drip coffee, simple and classic. Cold brew is coffee brewed with cold water for many hours. It's smooth and less acidic. Iced coffee is brewed coffee poured over ice. Frappuccino is a blended ice drink. It's like a coffee milkshake and very sweet. Popular flavors include caramel frappuccino, mocha frappuccino, and Java chip frappuccino. For non-coffee options, hot chocolate, chai tea latte, matcha latte, green tea, or various teas like English breakfast or Earl Grey.
Now let's talk about customization. This is where Starbucks gets interesting. First, milk choices. The default is whole milk, but you can change it. Say with almond milk, with oat milk, with soy milk, with coconut milk, or with non-fat milk, also called skim milk. For example, can I get a grande latte with oat milk? Second, you can adjust sweetness, say less sweet, half sweet, extra sweet, or no sugar. You can also add flavor shots or syrups with vanilla, with caramel, with hazelnut, with peppermint. For example, a tall latte with 2 pumps of vanilla.
Third, temperature. You can say extra hot if you like your drink very hot or iced if you want it cold. Can I get an iced vanilla latte? Fourth, you can customize foam and toppings. Say with extra foam, no foam, with whipped cream or no whip. Fifth, espresso shots. The default is 1 shot for tall, 2 for grande, and 2 for venti, but you can change it. With an extra shot, with 1 shot only, or decaf if you don't want caffeine. For example, grande latte with an extra shot and almond milk, please. Don't worry about getting it perfect. You can build up to complex orders as you get more comfortable.
Let's practice common questions baristas ask and how to answer them. What size would you like? Answer, grande, please, or I'll do a venti. Room for cream? For brewed coffee. This means, do you want space at the top to add cream? Answer, yes, please, or no, that's okay. Would you like that hot or iced? Answer, hot, please, or iced. What kind of milk? Answer, almond milk, please, or regular milk is fine. Whipped cream? Answer, yes, please, or no, that's okay. Please, or no whip, thanks. For here or to go? Answer, for here if you're staying, or to go if you're taking it with you.
More questions. Anything else? Answer, no, that's all. Or yes, I'd also like. Can I get a name for the order? Give your first name clearly. It's Sarah or Tom, T-O-M. This is how they'll call your drink when it's ready. Would you like to try our new, if you're interested? Sure, I'll try that. Or if not, no thanks, just the latte, please. If you don't understand a question, it's totally fine to say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or I didn't catch that. Baristas are used to helping people, so don't worry about asking for clarification.
Let's practice some complete orders from start to finish. Simple order. Barista. Hi, what can I get for you? You. Hi, can I get a grande latte, please? Barista. Sure, what kind of milk? You saw. Oat milk, please. Barista. Anything else? You. No, that's all. Barista. Great. Can I get a name? You. Tom. Barista. That'll be $5.25. You. Here you go. Thanks. See how straightforward that is? Now a more customized order. Barista. Welcome to Starbucks. What would you like? You. I'd like a venti iced caramel macchiato with almond milk and an extra shot, please.
Barista. Extra shot, got it. Anything else? You. Yes, can I also get a chocolate croissant? Barista. Of course, for here or to go. You. To go, please. Barista. Perfect. Name for the order. You. Sarah, S-A-R-A-H. Barista. That'll be $8.50. You. Can I pay with card? Barista. Absolutely. Notice how you can make it as simple or detailed as you want. If you're nervous, start with basic orders like Grande coffee or tall latte and work your way up to customizations once you're more comfortable.
Here are some helpful tips for ordering at Starbucks. First, look at the menu while waiting in line so you're ready when it's your turn. Second, speak clearly when giving your order and name. The cafe can be noisy. Third, if you're unsure about a drink, ask for a recommendation. What would you recommend for someone who likes sweet drinks? Or what's popular? Fourth, you can ask for samples. Could I try a sample of the cold brew? Fifth, save money with a Starbucks card or app. You can order ahead and skip the line. Sixth, remember that Starbucks sizes and names are the same worldwide, so once you learn them, you can order anywhere.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say small, medium, or large. Use tall, grande, venti. It's not wrong, but using Starbucks terms sounds more natural. Don't say coffee with milk. Say latte or coffee with room for cream. Don't forget to specify hot or iced. If you just say latte, they might assume hot. Don't be afraid to ask questions. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? Is perfectly fine. Don't rush. Take your time to order correctly. If you make a mistake or forget something, you can politely add, "Oh, actually, could I make that iced?" Most importantly, don't stress. Baristas are friendly and patient. Even if your English isn't perfect, they'll help you get exactly what you want.
Let's review essential Starbucks vocabulary. Sizes: tall, small, grande, medium, venti, large, Trenta, extra large for cold drinks. Drinks: latte, cappuccino, Americano, Mocha, Macchiato, flat white, Frappuccino, brewed coffee, cold brew. Milk options: whole milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, coconut milk, Nonfat/skim milk. Customizations: extra shot, decaf, extra hot, iced, with foam, no foam, whipped cream, flavor syrups.
Ordering phrases. Can I get a? I'd like a. I'll have a. Responding to questions. Yes, please. No, thanks. That's all. For here. To go. Common questions. What size? Hot or iced? What kind of milk? Room for cream? Anything else? Name for the order? Remember, size plus drink plus customizations. Example, grande iced latte with oat milk. Practice this pattern and you'll sound confident. Now you're ready to order coffee at Starbucks in English with confidence. Remember, start simple and add customizations as you get more comfortable. Don't worry about making mistakes. Ordering coffee should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English conversations. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Starbucks drink? Do you have Starbucks in your country? We'd love to hear from you. Keep practicing every day.
Until next time, happy learning. Goodbye, everyone.
Enjoy your coffee.